Pythonic implementation of quiet, verbose flag for functions. In an effort to write Pythonic code, I wonder, is there a style guide covering the use of quiet or verbose options for functions? For example, in my Python package I have a range of functions which call each other, thus it is desirable for the user to be able to request a printed output at times. For example, is there a standard arg name here? For example, should quiet, silent be used to suppress all printed outputs? Or should verbose be used to demand this if true?
Basically, you can use the logging module, which gives you the ability to set the level of logging you want, and the logger will save /print/export, based on your config, the log values. You can set the level of your logger using, and there are many more options there.
If you don't want to rely on a logging library, I think your solution is already Pythonic enough. It may be a little bit more Pythonic to write. As stated in PEP 8, other recommendations, single line of statements are okay, but discouraged. There are other possibilities. Using OR. Using the OR operator to encode a condition is arguably not Pythonic, but personally I think it reads nice. Silent OR, quiet OR. See below. The OR operator does short circuit, so print and its arguments are only evaluated when silent is false, like when using an if statement. A disadvantage is that might be type checking will fail if silent is bound to a Boolean type. Nuke ternary. We could also do this. But it feels rather unPythonic.
I have tended to go with
If you want to see more classic consider subscribing.